Hello, my name is Jocelyn, and my topic that I'll be talking about today is how are property rights and corruption related, and how can intellectual property be protected. So, property rights are the legal rights over the use to which a resource is put in over the use made of any income that may be derived from that resource. These rights can be violated in two ways, through private action and through public action. An example I have of property rights and corruption are in Zimbabwe. So Robert Mugabe, former president, who recently passed earlier this month, ignored Zimbabwe's constitution in 2000 by abandoning property rights as a result of his need for a one-party state. He did this through brutality and deep corruption. When Mugabe's government started seizing commercial farms without compensation, banks refused to lend to new farmers and lost millions on existing mortgages. For these reasons, they didn't have a property title to use as compensation. Other companies that relied on farm output, such as textile companies, also went bankrupt. And that is my example of property rights and corruption in Zimbabwe. So what about other rights protecting your property that you can't necessarily touch sometimes? So that would be intellectual property protection is a protection for inventions, literary and artistic works, symbols, names, and images created by the mind. So how do we protect these rights? There are actually 4 types of intellectual property rights. So the first one is patents, and a patent grants property rights on an invention, allowing the patent holder to exclude others from making, selling, or using inventions. And so inventions also allow many businesses to be successful because they develop a new or better process or product that offer competitive advantages on the marketplace. And then we also have different kinds of patents, which are utility, design, and plant, which I will not go over since I do not have enough time. So trademarks are next ones, and a trademark is a word, phrase, symbol, or design that distinguishes the source of products or services of one business from its competitors. In order to qualify for patent protection, the mark must be distinctive. For example, the Nike swoosh design identifies athletic footwear by Nike, and other logos right here that represent trademarks for their company. Next, we have trade secrets. So a trade secret is a formula, process, a device, or other business information that companies keep private to give the business advantage over their competitors. For example, soda formulas, customer lists, survey results, and computer algorithms. Example I have just top of my head is Procter & Gamble's Gillette, their razors. They sued 4 of their former employees because they exposed their trade secrets to another shaving company, and they were not allowed to do that because their secret was what made them distinctive in the marketplace. Next, we have copyrights. So copyright protects original works of authorship, such as literary works, music, dramatic works. We have sculpturals, pictures, graphic works, sound recordings, artist works, architectural works, anything really creative, to be honest. So an example I have of a copyright protection is like when you go into YouTube and you upload a video and you have a song that you didn't have permission to upload playing in the background. So YouTube will send you a little letter saying you have violated a copyright. And so they will send you a link, but basically it's saying just take down the video or you'll get suspended or worse. So that is how we protect copyrights. And that is it. Thank you for watching. And if you'd like more information, here's my works cited.